Hello and welcome to IPSpecialist. Are you ready to take the first step toward becoming a certified Python professional? Do you know what do Google, Netflix and NASA all have in common? They rely on Python, one of the world's most powerful and versatile programming languages. From artificial intelligence to web development, Python is everywhere. And now it's your turn to become a certified Python professional. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Python is a high level versatile programming language that has become one of the most widely used in the world. Its simplicity, readability, and ease of learning make it ideal for beginners, while its power and flexibility make it the choice of professionals for complex projects. Python drives innovation across industries, from building web applications and automating workflows to powering artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Its extensive libraries and frameworks enable developers to solve real world problems efficiently and create applications that impact millions of users. Learning Python equips you with a skill set that is in high demand and opens the door to countless opportunities in the tech world. Python certifications are designed to validate your programming skills and demonstrate your proficiency to employers worldwide. They provide a structured learning path, ensuring you understand best practices while helping you stand out in competitive job market. Among these certifications, the PCAP Certified Associate Python Programmer stands out as one of the most recognized credentials. This certification demonstrates your ability to write efficient Python code, implement functions, work with data structures, and apply object oriented programming concepts. Earning the PCAP certification boosts your confidence, enhances your credibility, and opens doors to exciting roles in software development, data science, automation, and other high demand technology fields. At IP Specialist, we are committed to helping you achieve this certification and build real world Python skills. Our PCAP Certified Associate Python Programmer course guides you step by step through the essentials of Python programming. Whether you're a beginner exploring coding for the first time or an IT professional strengthening your skill set, this course is your perfect starting point. You'll gain hands on experience with Python fundamentals from syntax and control structures to functions and data structures. The course covers practical applications including file handling, exception management, and object oriented programming. Each module simplifies complex concepts and ensures you develop a practical understanding of Python. You'll also explore essential libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, preparing you to solve real coding challenges and advance your programming career. With structured lessons, hands on practice, and expert guidance, you'll gain the confidence to write Python code efficiently and successfully prepare for the official PCAP 3103 certification exam by the Python Institute. The PCAP exam is priced at $295, and for added convenience, packages are also available, like $345 for exam and retake, $359 for exam, retake, and practice test, and $49 for the standalone practice test. Now, all IP Specialist courses come packed with valuable learning tools to help you succeed. Each course includes a comprehensive study guide to guide your preparation, along with carefully crafted practice questions to test your knowledge. You'll also get handy exam cram notes for quick revision and mind maps that simplify complex concepts. To gain practical experience, there are hands on practice labs designed to simulate real world scenarios. Real life examples throughout the course make learning relevant and easier to grasp. Plus, the course comes with auto updates to keep the content fresh and aligned with the latest exam changes. And to top it off, you'll receive expert exam tips to boost your confidence and help you pass on your first attempt. Now, this course is designed for anyone eager to start their journey into programming or strengthen their existing Python skills. Whether you're a student exploring coding for the first time, an IT professional expanding your technical expertise, or a career changer stepping into the world of software development, this course is the perfect fit. The PCAP Certified Associate Python Programmer course helps you build a strong foundation, validate your skills, and prepare for real world programming challenges with confidence. Becoming a PCAP Certified Associate Python Programmer is more than just earning a certificate. It's a mark of your technical competence and career readiness. This globally recognized certification validates your ability to design, code, and troubleshoot Python programs with confidence. Certified Python professionals are in high demand worldwide, with entry level salaries averaging around $65,000 to $85,000 per year, and experienced developers earning over $120,000 annually. Whether you aim to work in software development, data science, or automation, the PCAP certification helps you stand out and opens doors to limitless opportunities. With IPSpecialist, you'll gain the knowledge and hands on skills needed to succeed, not just in the exam, but in the professional journey. So, are you ready to take the next step toward becoming a skilled Python programmer and certified professional? It's your turn to choose your path, whether you want to build your foundation in coding, advance your IT career, or step into the world of data and automation. Enroll in IPSpecialist PCAP Certified Associate Python Programmer course today and gain the knowledge, hands-on experience, and confidence to excel in Python development. You can also explore our certification study guides on Amazon to enhance your learning and prepare effectively for exam success. Start your Python journey with IPSpecialist, where learning meets opportunity. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.